In today's video, I will be testing out famous influencer Invest with Jonah's VIP. Jonah has thousands of followers on TikTok and Instagram, and he is known for his stock callouts, market insight, real-time portfolio updates, and his accessible content that makes investing feel simple for everyday users. I got into one of his 1 week free trials and will be tracking every single stock along the way. I will be giving you real raw results to see if this VIP is really worth it. Shout out to Jonah if you're watching, and enjoy the video. So I got into one of Jonah's free trials. I'm gonna show you the results of what he gives me. He's had about 3 callouts so far. He's called out ticker symbol AAL, JBLU, and I believe it's OILU. Those first 2 are airline companies, so the thesis behind that is buy during the winter time and then sell during late summer when it's really high. So that's more of about, I don't know, I think it's a 6-month swing trade. And then the one that he called out, OILU, is a 1 week long swing trade is what he said. So it's this ticker. He wanted us to get in at about $42 or under, so I got 2 shares at $42, and currently it's up about midway through the day. Keep in mind, I will be tracking all of his picks throughout the whole entire week to see if this VIP is worth it. Make sure you guys stay to the end to see the results of this. If Jonah alerts any more stock picks throughout this Monday, I will let you guys know. So later in the day, he called out USEG as more of a long-term play, and then NIOG as a very short-term play, which I believe we're supposed to be selling in the pre-market tomorrow. And the results are pretty positive. These negative ones are pretty flat for the most part, but other than that, it's been a pretty good green day. Jonah warned that this NIOG play was a little bit more risky considering it's only a 1-day trade, like a 1-day swing trade. Hopefully this risk pays off tomorrow. Let's see if Jonah can keep producing these positive callouts within these next few days. It is now about 12:30 on Tuesday. I sold the NIOG shares earlier today for about 20% profit. So he called out Adobe, which I already have shares of, but I'm only going to keep track of the shares that I bought when he called it out. He also did call out PayPal, but I'm not going to be investing into that right now, especially because he bought a very tiny amount. Here are the results of day 2. Pretty good. This NIOG risk really paid off. We closed up 20.96%. This is a great earnings swing trade call out by Jonah right here. You can compare it to these Monday results right here. OILU tanked a little bit, USEG went up a tiny bit, but then the rest stayed about flat. Keep in mind that this 20% in game is 2 times what the S&P makes in 2 years. It looks like Jonah has made the right picks. Let's see if we can continue to keep getting positive days the rest of the week. It is now Wednesday, and Jonah said that he's going to be buying more Adobe ahead of earnings tomorrow. He also alerted another position in Nike, which I am going to be getting into. Not too much other than that for Wednesday. He did say I'm not going to be making any new entries until we see a new low in the market. We'll just have to see what the end of day 3 looks like. And the results for day 3 are not too much of a change here. It was overall a slightly red day in the market. The biggest change in my positions was OILU from negative 3.55% all the way to positive 6.86%. I think tomorrow could be possibly a very big day with Adobe's earnings coming up. I really do think Adobe's earnings could make or break this week. I really hope the market reacts positively to this. Only 2 more days left. Let's see where we go from here. It is now Thursday, day 4, and 1 more day until the end of this challenge. Something kind of crazy happened today. Oil started surging again, and I took profits on OILU. Jonah also did alert a few more stocks. Still waiting on those Adobe earnings, which could make or break this week. Called out SoFi under $18, which I bought into, as well as dollar cost averaging into Nike a little under $55. As you can see, he called out more Nike shares today and a little bit more SoFi down here. He also called out trimming profits on OILU. Results for day 4, kind of mid. As you can see, I trimmed profits on OILU as it was up 7%. And with oil surging, I'm surprised USEG didn't go up more than it did. And Adobe reported good earnings, but unfortunately the stock did flop. I'm still going to be dollar cost averaging into Adobe because I do believe it's a good stock. As of recent, the market's been very volatile, which is not good for this challenge. Let's see what results day 5 will bring. It is now Friday, the last day of the challenge. I'm not really going to be making any big changes today, but I am going to be getting into small positions in PYPL and ticker symbol SRFM. Jonah calls out a small position in SRFM. The final results of day 5 are, unfortunately, slightly negative in most of our positions. The good thing is that these positions that went up 7% and up 21% kind of saved me. If Jonah hadn't made these swing trade callouts, this whole challenge would have been cooked. I will give him the benefit of the doubt on these other positions that went down, just because these are more of like 6 to 12 month swing trades. Another thing that's included with VIP are these options callouts. And unfortunately, I never participated in any of these. If I would have gotten into this callout on Friday, I would have been up 350% in one day. Now, if you want to see me do this challenge again while doing these options callouts, leave a comment down below. If you guys want to see me do Jonah's VIP for 1 month, leave a comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe. Overall, I would say this VIP is worth it, but for me, I'm going to wait until I have a little bit more capital in my investing account. If you guys want to join the VIP, there will be a link in the description or a link in my bio. Make sure you click that link, join the VIP, and make some money. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Jonah again, and if you guys have any other video ideas or side hustles, comment it down below. Peace.